Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll guide you through the process of turning off auto-delete activity on Gmail using your PC. This feature can sometimes be a bit intrusive, especially if you want to keep track of all your online activities. So, let's dive right in and see how you can take control back. First things first, open Gmail on your computer. Once it's loaded, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a comprehensive settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Google account. Now that we're in the account settings area, click on Data and Privacy from the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Web and App Activity under History Settings. Clicking on this option will allow us to adjust how Google handles our activity data. Within Web and App Activity, look for an option called Auto Delete. Clicking here gives us control over whether or not our activity is automatically deleted after a certain period. Now it's time to make some changes. Choose Don't Auto-Delete Activity. This setting ensures that none of your web or app activities are removed without your explicit consent. To confirm these changes and ensure they stick, follow through with any prompts that appear next. You might need to tap or click through a few more screens just to finalize everything. By following these simple steps, you've successfully turned off auto-delete for web and app activities associated with Gmail on PC. Now all your online actions will remain recorded unless manually removed by you. This update is particularly useful if privacy is important to you, or if keeping records helps with work-related tasks or personal projects. Remember that managing these settings regularly helps maintain control over what happens with your data online. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If there are more tech tips or guides like this one that interest you, feel free to explore other videos from our channel, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.